Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you find Amber Alerts disruptive and want to turn them off on your iPhone, here is a step-by-step guide to help you. Please note that the exact step might vary slightly depending on your iOS version. The first step is to open the Setting app. Tap on the Setting app on your iPhone home screen. Now scroll down and select Notifications. Next, you scroll all the way to the bottom of the notification menu. Look for the Government Alert section. If you don't see this section, proceed to the next step. Next step is to check for carrier and regional differences. Some carriers or regions may have different ways of handling government alert. If you don't see government alert, it might be due to these differences. Proceed to the next step for alternative method. Now you head over to your phone app. Next, you dial *5005 *25370# and press the call button. This will open a hidden setting menu on some iPhone where you can manage government alert. If the hidden setting menu appears for you, look for the option to manage Amber Alert and toggle it off. Disabling Amber Alert on your iPhone can help reduce disruptions, but remember that these alerts are crucial for public safety. If you don't find the government alert section in your notification, try the alternative method. If none of these steps work, it might be restricted by your carrier or region. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.